Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this episode of Cook with Ira, I'm going to show you how to make Mutter Paneer. Now this is a very popular Indian dish and by no means I'm calling this authentic, but whenever on those days when I crave this dish, I don't have to go to the Indian restaurants and I can make this at home, and this is how I make it, and I hope you will enjoy it too. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. You're going to need some paneer that I have cubed in small pieces. The size is up to you. Some tomatoes diced, red onions diced, garlic paste, peas. I'm using frozen peas, but if you're using the raw ones, boil it for a little bit before using it. 1 red chili dried, some cumin seed, this is heavy cream, some salt to taste, a little bit of water. For the spices, I'm using Garam Masala, Paprika powder, Cumin Coriander Powder mix, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is dry mango powder. And you're going to need some oil. So over here I have a pan and I have some vegetable oil preheating on about medium high to high heat, and to this I'm going to fry my paneer. You can use this as this is without frying. A lot of people do that, but I like to fry it because it adds a little bit of texture to my dish. And I'm going to do this in batches because I don't want to overcrowd my pan. And I'm going to fry this until it is lovely golden brown on all sides, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. My paneer looks really nice and golden brown. Now on the same pan I have that oil that I fried my paneer in, so I'm not discarding that. To that we're going to add our red chili. I normally like to have it. And then our cumin seed. And to that we're going to add in our onions. Now we're going to cook the onions until they are nicely browned, and then I'll show you what to do next. The onion looks nicely browned. Now we're going to add our tomatoes to it, and we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our spices to it. It's been about 2 minutes. So now we're going to add in our garlic paste, all the spices, and a good pinch of salt. And now we're going to cook this until they're all cooked and the onions and the tomatoes will start releasing the oil. That's when you know that they are done. And I'll show you what to do next after that. This is almost there. You can see that it turned into a really nice paste. So I'm gonna cook this for maybe another 30 seconds or so, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it cool completely, and then we're going to put it in our mixture grinder and then we're gonna grind it. My mixture is ready over here. We're going to put this in the blender. And I normally like to add a little bit of water to help it grind. And now we're going to grind this until it's a smooth paste, and I'll show you when it's there. My sauce looks really smooth. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now I am putting it back in the same pan I cooked my tomatoes and onions in, and I have turned my heat to medium low. And to this you can add some water. The consistency at this point is really up to you. If you like it thick, add less water. And now we're going to add our paneer, all of it, and then our peas, and now we're going to simmer this until all the flavors really mix well together. Again, you can add more water if you like it to be a little bit thinner. And I'll show you what to do next after that. See how it's bubbling right now? When you see that happening, add some heavy cream. The heavy cream adds really nice, creamy, smooth flavor and texture to your dish. Looks really nice. Smells amazing too. Now we're going to cook this for maybe 2 more minutes, and then it will be ready. My Mutter Paneer is ready. Look at this. The white, the green, the yellow, all the color mixed together. It looks really, really appetizing. I'm going to give it a try. My mouth is salivating. It's really soft, creamy, a little kick from all the chili that we added. It's really, really good. You have to try it. It's like a really nice comfort food. I hope you like what you saw today. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget that all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't so already. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!